welcome back to my channel. I'm gonna start out by using this NYX Honey Do Me Up primer on my face. I absolutely love this primer. It's kind of like sticky at first and it feels probably like slime, but it really does get the job done. I slowly pat it into my face. I don't really try to rub it into my face. I try to pat it, you know, so it's on there good and I get a little glow going on. Next, I'm going to be using my Fit Me foundation by Maybelline in the color 360 Mocha. I'm just going to blend this in, you know, all around my face. Next is my Fave Concealer, also by Maybelline. And this is in the color Deep. This is my go-to concealer. Like, I'll choose this concealer over all the concealers that I own. It's just something about this concealer that I absolutely love. It blends well. The color is perfect for my skin tone, so they did that. I had to go back and do my forehead and my chin because I don't know how I forgot, but anyways, gonna blend that out and, you know, keep it moving. Next, I'm gonna be taking my Black Radiance finishing powder. I've only used this maybe like 2 times at the most. So far, I do like this setting powder. It works pretty good and gets the job done. So I'm just gonna take that underneath my eyes. Next, I'm going to be using my Morphe palette, Boss Mood 35M palette. This is my first time using this palette and oh my god, let me just say I am absolutely loving this palette. Like, I don't know what took me so long to use this palette because it is bomb. I'm just using my finger to put a little bit of shimmer, you know. Guys, if you don't know, I am still learning makeup, so I am not a professional at all. I just do what fits me and what works for me. So, yeah. I like to put on my mascara before I put on my lashes, just because I think putting on the mascara with the lashes on makes it clunky and I don't like that at all. I'm going to be using So Wispy Kiss lashes. They are amazing. Guys, no lie, I had to turn the camera off and apply these because it took me like freaking 10 times to do this. So take a little bit of blush, and I want to say this is by Sugar Velour. I think I'm saying that correctly. My first time using this blush as well. Now I'm just taking the Juvia's Place Warrior 3 palette and taking a little bit of that to use as my highlight. I love this palette. This is also another go-to palette for me. The colors are just perfect, especially for my skin tone. I love it. I'm using a little bit of liner by CoverGirl, Lip Perfection. Lately I have been loving liner, and I think that liner fits me, and I think this color fits me as well. Now I'm just going in for the very first time using is this Jeffree Star lipstick, and this is called Baby Spice. And let me just say, honey, it's spicy. Look at my lips. Look at this color. Absolutely gorgeous. Now for this hair. Let's get to this hair. I like to gel down my edges, and I only really use one gel. Sometimes I'll use Got To Be Glue, but you know, your girl is using Echo Styling Gel. I absolutely love this gel. Usually I would do my hair first and then do my makeup, but I was in a little bit of a rush, so yeah, I did my makeup before doing my hair. Since my hair is short, I like to put a little cap first, and then I like to put my scarf just to give it some extra support and hold. And this is the final look. I am absolutely loving this. I don't wear scarves all the time, but when I do, honey, look at this beat, a quick beat. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. And as I always say, I will see you guys in my next video. Peace out.